Hello everyone, and thank you and welcome to 630 Thomas Berkeley. This is unit 1817. We've got a nice big 1-bedroom here. Lots and lots and lots of space. Big huge kitchen with our gas stove and our dishwasher. And then we'll go ahead and walk on into this ginormous living room. Beautiful hardwood floors. We've got a nice deck here overlooking the Oakland Hills. And then we'll go ahead and we'll step back inside. It's a little noisy outside, but as soon as the doors are closed, everything just goes all the way silent. So you really can't hear anything once the doors are all closed, which is great. So we've got double paned windows here, huge enormous drapes that close everything down. And then we'll go ahead and we'll walk on into bedroom, which has carpeting, a lot of closet space as well. Again, big floor to ceiling windows here, so lots and lots of light. And then we'll go ahead and take a little peek in the bathroom. We've got and then all the way over in the corner is our tub built in. And there is also an additional washer and dryer just tucked away in the closet here. So go ahead and just look into the kitchen again. Lots and lots of cabinet space. Definitely enough room for an island in here. In your living room, you've got enough space for, again, a dining room table, definitely couch and chairs, everything that you possibly can need. You can also set up benches along the end of the bench here, along this island, which is great. I love the open floor plan. Super high ceilings, makes the place feel very, very airy and open. And then, of course, you've got this great view. So thank you so much. Hope you can come and see it soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.